Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how to use the Excel in your Android mobile. So this is totally 100% free. There is no any typing required if you wish. There is no any register limit also. It's totally easy to use. But however, I can say Excel expertise did not required for this one because they already may be habituated in the laptop and all. But if you are the totally new users, you can just try with the mobile first and then you can later switch to your laptop or PC or desktop anything. So it's totally 100% safe, secure and reliable. So nowadays nobody is using the pen, paper and calculator because it's a digital world. So why not to go for the digital? Okay, so it's easy to share whatever the details you have captured in the sheets of that application. You can totally easily share in the WhatsApp. So you can save most of the stuffs in your application for future reference also. So this application is totally can be used by all the personal and professional users. So let's start about this. So the application name is Leo app. So that we need to download from the Play Store, Google Play Store. So before that, I'm going to the Play Store now. So I'm moving to the Play Store now, and in the Play Store, we can search with the keywords like Excel for Android. So when you see the Excel for Android, we will get in the first one Leo Excel Notebook Register. So we have to install this one. So let's go for install. So it's asking for 26 MB. Okay. So it's taking time, and very soon we'll be downloading this app. So few more things till then I can tell to you about this app. Like you can lock this app with the pin number like you are doing in your Google Pay or Phone Pay. In the same way, like you can also lock your this app so that it will be more means privacy will be there, and it will be more secure. And you can also create so many folders in this one. And in this in and for this app there are so many languages also, like in English or Hindi or any. And along with that there are profile settings also. And there are there is 24x7 phone support also. So whenever there is any glitch or whenever you feel any difficulty, you can reach out to them. It's almost downloaded. So get it, let it be installed. Okay guys, so now we can open this app. So I am selecting the English language. So it's 100% safe and secure. So I am signing with my Google account. You can also use either Facebook account or any Gmail account or any Google account for this one. So so this is the dashboard of this application. So before showing to you guys, I have already downloaded this app. So it's showing some of the previous some of the previous stuff which I have created to know how to use this. So just I'll delete this all. So I already set the pin also. Okay, I'll delete this one also. So before deleting also, this will ask for your password. So this is one of the good thing in this one. So this is why it's called more secure app. So 6-digit pin is required for this one. So before going that, uh, yeah. So now I have downloaded this app. So we'll go for Leo. Yes. So there are this is the dashboard, and here we can see that this new file, new folder, import from Excel, my saved templates and all, and there are so many templates. So this application can be used by all the types of occupation users, like either from construction or for taxi or for wedding or for household. So there are so many different templates. So we will go one by one and we'll come to know how we can use this more nicely. So it's totally like Excel. So if you want to go for any templates, so this my templates in the sense, so if I have used any template previously, so that template, if I selected that, I will be using the same template in the future again and again. So you can save the template and you can mark that one. So this template you can come here. So suppose I have used one of the template here, so it will come here. Okay, so that template you can again edit and you can again continue with the same one. So let's go for the any of the templates. Like suppose I am going with the teacher and school, one of the templates. So suppose I want to go with the fees and register. There are so many options are there, like student marks, fees register, income register, expense register, Udhar register, address register, cash register. So in the same way, for all the types of template, there are so many rows and there are so many details that needs to be filled by each and every type of occupation wise persons. So income register is also there for this one. So if you go for health and fitness, so for the diet and plan, workout plan, kids vaccination history, pet medication history. So there are so many things. In the same way, if you go for property broker, so they have a flat available list, income register. So for all there are different. Suppose if I want to go for flat available list, there are house type column, building name column, expected rent columns, sub broker name, keys with owners. So there are so many columns. So based on that, the details are filled. So for house type 1 BHK, building name is Lodha Platinum, expected rent, sub broker, keys with owner. So these are the things you can use this template for your future reference. Suppose, yeah. So in the same way, you can fill all the details which is relevant to you and which is required for you. Okay. So you can also edit your profile here. So in the profile you can also put your profile photo also here, and in the profile details you can also use a mobile number, email ID, and the type of logo. If you are involved in some of the business, you can also put your logo of the same business and you can mention the address and all for the same thing. Okay. The same way, if there is no any requirement to go in the Google or to download any good morning or for good evening, so in this application you will directly get the good morning, this quotations for good morning, and you can directly edit and send. Suppose I want to send this to my friends, I will go and this send to my friend. So this I can send to directly, you can send. Okay. And this is one of the good feature, you can change the language at any time in this one. And okay, and then you can also generate the pin, you can set the pin in this one. So I've already used the pin, but the people who are more lazy and they are not who don't want to use the again and again the pin, I think it's better for them not to use the pin. So if you have deleted some of the files, so it will come into the trash. So these files I have deleted already when I was using this. So these are the contact numbers. If you want to contact them, just send WhatsApp message to them and they will reach out to you. So you can log out this one. Okay. So my documents. So let's create now for a sample purpose. I want to create one of the file for you. So let's go for one file. So in the new folder, suppose if you are saving, if you created any folder and any table or any charts, you can save that file in the folder and you can save this here. So those things will be reflected here in this one whenever you file. So you can rename this one. Okay. If you have some other files you have already seen and created that files, which if it is Excel format, you can import that file Excel file into the this application also, so that you can refer it whenever it is required. So now let's create one file for you. So I'm creating one file. So I want to create for, suppose I want to create for student. So I want to create for homework. So suppose this I've already created now. So maths is there, English is there. So notes. So notes, suppose I want to add something here, then I will just whether use this template. Yeah. So suppose English I want to add. Suppose math. So if I want to, I don't want to type, but if I want to write automatically, then I will directly write it. In social studies. Social studies. So it will directly come social studies. Suppose I want to write maths. So it will come maths. Okay. So now if I want to write date also, it will come. You can write date also. You can write date like this. Okay. Notes. So if you want to write yes or no, what you can do is, suppose whether the notes has been given a provided or not. So you can just select it from plus sign. Then we can do yes or no whether it is provided or not. So we can do this one. So whether yes, no, anything you can do. And if you want to provide some more, like one more column, if you wanted, you can add the column. And whether you want to do some tomorrow, or you can add the text here, and you can write tomorrow, anything. Tomorrow you can write, or today you can write for this one. Today you can write, day after tomorrow. Okay. So you can add, and suppose you want to add some more column in this one, you can add like this here, and you can add some more things like you can add mobile number also, whether with whom you want to contact. So you can add anything. Okay. So you can just add anything. You can just add whichever you want to do. Okay. Whichever mobile number you have, and you can want to add. And then suppose I want to add one more column. If I want to add any attachment, I can attach attachment. If I want to add any formula, suppose I will write here in the column of, in that column I want to write, suppose 200. Okay. And then in the app column I have written 600. Okay. Then you can directly use the formula from here, and you can add it. From this formula you can just add it, column A or B, and then add the formula, or C, or you can write column D or column F. You can just multiply or add. So based on that it will come. So because I have not had any good numbers in the Excel sheet, so it is not coming properly now, but we can use that one. Okay. So now we can share this directly in the PDF form also to anyone. So I have selected the PDF, and I'm selecting all the things, and then I want to share PDF. So I'm sharing the PDF to one of my friend. So it will come directly like a PDF. Yes. So you can see the PDF will be showing like this. So it's totally a very nice app. So for short term use, and for daily routine, and for daily saving, and for daily remembering all the like expenses, either to know the profit and losses, and to know what are the future plans, and what are the upcoming businesses, or whether for homeworks, for anything. So there are so many list of the occupations are there, and whether for personal use or professional use, you can use this application. If you want any some more information to use this app, you can visit some of the videos in this one. Already present some of the videos, like some of the short videos are present in this one. You can just review and go through that, to get more knowledge in detail. If you want some more detailed videos for this one, I will prepare in the future, and I will provide to you. I'll provide the link of this app in the description box. Till then, enjoy the app, and see you in the next video. Thank you.